Best digital optical audio cable ensures crystal clear sound, eliminates electrical interference, supports surround sound systems, and delivers reliable high-quality audio for TVs and home theaters. My today's video is about top 5 best digital optical audio cable that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Cable Direct Toslink optical audio cable. A high-quality digital optical audio cable is an excellent choice for anyone who wants pure, interference-free sound from their home entertainment system. Designed with Toslink connectors on both ends, this cable easily connects devices with OPT and /out or S/PDF ports, making it perfect for TVs, gaming consoles like PS3, PS4, and Xbox One, as well as DVD or Blu-ray players and streaming boxes. It effortlessly delivers clear digital audio to soundbars, amplifiers, hi-fi systems, or DAC converters. Built with advanced fiber optic technology, the cable is completely immune to electrical interference, ensuring stable and consistent audio performance. Its flexible PVC jacket adds durability while allowing easy installation in tight spaces. The 24K gold-plated connectors resist corrosion and maintain a clean, reliable connection over time. Because the signal travels through fiber optics, the cable provides accurate sound transmission with virtually no signal loss. Every cable undergoes strict multi-stage testing to guarantee long-lasting quality. Backed by a 36-month manufacturer warranty, it offers both reliability and peace of mind for serious audio enthusiasts. Now our second product is Amazon Basics Audio Fiber Optic Cable. This 6-foot digital optical audio Toslink cable is a dependable solution for delivering clear and consistent digital sound between your entertainment devices. Designed for multi-channel fiber optic audio transmission, it ensures crisp and detailed sound quality when connecting devices such as soundbars, CD players, Blu-ray players, gaming consoles, or TVs. The cable supports stable digital audio output, making it ideal for home theater systems and immersive listening experiences. The corrosion-resistant gold-plated connectors help maintain a strong and reliable connection while optimizing signal transfer. Combined with internal buffer tubing, the cable protects the delicate fiber core and ensures smooth, uninterrupted audio performance. Durability is another strong point. The lightweight yet rugged PVC outer jacket provides flexibility for easy installation while protecting the cable from everyday wear. It also includes removable rubber protective caps that shield the connectors from dust or damage when not in use. Just remember to remove them before connecting the cable. Overall, this Toslink cable offers a simple, reliable way to achieve high-quality digital audio in any home entertainment setup. Our third product is EMK 90-degree Toslink optical cable. This 90-degree digital Toslink optical cable is a smart upgrade for anyone looking to improve their home audio connections. Designed with universal compatibility, it works seamlessly with CD, DVD, and Blu-ray players, gaming consoles like PS3, PS4, Xbox 360, and Xbox One, as well as smart TVs, PCs, and other devices equipped with optical ports. It also pairs easily with optical adapters and extension couplers, making it a flexible solution for many setups. One of its standout features is the right-angle 90-degree and 360-degree rotating plug design. This allows easy installation in tight spaces behind TVs or sound systems and prevents excessive cable bending that can damage traditional optical cables. Since the signal travels through light, the cable eliminates electromagnetic and radio frequency interference, ensuring clean, stable audio. Built with a durable nylon mesh jacket and heavy-duty construction, the cable resists kinks and protects the internal fiber core. It delivers impressive hi-fi sound, supporting PCM audio and surround formats like Dolby Digital and DTS for an immersive listening experience. Backed by an 18-month warranty, it offers reliability and peace of mind. Now number 4, Workey Optical Audio Cable. The Workey 3-foot digital optical audio cable is an essential upgrade for anyone seeking pristine, interference-free audio in their home entertainment setup. designed to bridge your TV, soundbar, PS4, PlayStation, Xbox, or other devices with standard Toslink, S/PDIF, optical ports. It delivers crystal clear sound that outperforms standard optical cables at its core. It uses high-quality Toray fiber from Japan, ensuring zero distortion and supporting uncompressed PCM audio, as well as 5.1 to 7.1 surround formats like Dolby Digital Plus, DTS HD High Resolution, and LPCM. This makes it perfect for turning your living room into a true home theater experience. Durability is a highlight. The CL3-rated nylon jacketed cable is flexible, lightweight, and safe for in-wall installation. Its aluminum casing, gold-plated connectors, and snug anti-loosening design guarantee consistent performance even after thousands of uses. Thoughtful touches like rubber caps and a cable tie protect the connectors and simplify storage. Backed by Workey's online technical support, this cable combines longevity, reliability, and superior sound quality for any serious audio enthusiast. And our last choice is Toslink Optical Audio Cable. The POF Stiff Optical Audio Cable is a premium solution for audiophiles seeking flawless digital audio performance. Crafted from high-quality POF optical fiber, it transmits light signals via total internal reflection, ensuring complete immunity to electromagnetic interference, EMI, and ground loop noise. This guarantees exceptional signal integrity and supports high-resolution audio up to 24 bits/192 kHz with full multi-channel scalability. Ideal for advanced audio setups, it delivers pristine, lossless signal transmission over distances up to 1,000 meters. The cable fully supports Dolby, DTS, and 7.1.2 surround sound systems, as well as up to 16 audio channels via ADAT, making it perfect for home theaters, DACs, soundbars, and gaming systems like PS4, PlayStation, and Xbox. Durability and connectivity are key features. Corrosion-resistant 5mu 24K gold-plated pure copper plugs, paired with a pure copper shell, ensure minimal signal loss and block external interference. The 7mm diameter, nylon-braided jacket resists abrasion and tangling, while the fiber allows 60 degrees bends for flexible routing. Overall, this cable combines superior sound quality, rugged durability, and versatile compatibility, making it a top choice for serious audio enthusiasts. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.